Hi, my name's Lou, and this is a What's Wrong with Final Cut X video. Now, Final Cut X, when it was released, was a rewriting of the classic Final Cut Pro editing software. Now, I've been using Final Cut since version 1.0, and I have problems with the new Final Cut X, like a lot of people do. Now, I just wanted to show two of my problems that I have with it right now because it's bugging the hell out of me. Now, when I complain about Final Cut X on Twitter, people often tell me to STFU or RTFM. Now, these are issues that are not really solvable with either of those helpful suggestions, but I'll just show you what I mean. So I have this video, and at the end of the video, I'd like to fade to black. So in, I think, was it version release 2 or 3, they finally put in Command T, which should make a cross dissolve or fade. So when I do a cross dissolve here, at the end of my clip, I do that, and it shows up there. That's nice. That's what we're expecting. And there it is, a standard cross dissolve. Now, what should happen when you cross dissolve a layer of video? Fade to black, fade it out. It should fade out. So let's see what happens when you do that. Oh, wait. There's a little unexpected circumstances there, and that is the fact that my background disappears. There's no explanation as to why that's happening. It just vanishes, and there's nothing you can do about it. It's just gone. So what are we going to do about that? I don't know. Well, so what you have to do then is do a manual dissolve. Oh, you have to find the beginning of the clip, which is over here, and then do the dial up and do video animation, and then you go over here, and then you have to find the opacity and do it that way. Okay, so I'm gonna disappear here that way. That's okay. That's doable. Sure, whatever. And I'll just add a dissolve down here. Look at that. Now we almost get what we wanted, except I kind of ghost away instead of, so I had to end my video sooner. It's not a workable solution. I really didn't want to have myself ghost away. I don't really disappear there. I don't, that's unfortunate. I don't really vanish even at the end. All right, so that is a problem in my view. A lot of people are like, whatever, learn to work with it, man. That's not awesome. My other current problem with Final Cut X is that if you want to do something that's not kind of a in-your-face, like daytime title, continuous slow fade in, or title fade, or Star Wars crawler, or whatever, you need to use the custom title. And this is the custom title right here. Just this title. Nothing fancy about it. And I've used the custom title a couple of times here. And if you want to change anything, you can change the text, you can change the font, you can change the the font style, the size, all that stuff. Great, that's great. Now, what if I want to change the color of this font? Okay, there's nothing there. That's not cool. How about I go to title? There's no options. Okay, so custom, not so custom. If I want to use continuous, like I use continuous here, you click on custom. Oh, here in the title, you get all kinds of customs. You can change the color, change the face, change the outline, change the glow, change all kinds of things about here. Go back to your custom titles, and all that stuff goes away. So how am I going to change the color of my goddamn custom text? Oh, I have to go in here and do color adjustment. So now I can do a color adjustment, and I did. Now, but what can I do? Can I save this color adjustment? What can I do? What can I do about that? Oh, I can just reset it and lose everything. If I didn't pay attention to these numbers, I have to undo and hope that it remembers. So that's just two of the major problems with Final Cut X in my estimation. Here's another thing. When you make an in and an out point in your clip bin, whatever you want to call this, if you hit up or down in the old Final Cut, you would go to your in and out point. But now you just go to your next clip and you lose your in and out points. Why would anyone want to do that? What if you want to just check your in and out points? It's just dumb, man. Anyway, I'm going to go watch some more videos about how to use this program, but nothing I've watched so far has convinced me that it is better than Final Cut 7. The green screen works really nice, I'll give you that. All right, this has been Lou Fernandez complaining about Final Cut X. We'll see you soon.